So guys, who I'm going to invite up has done 3 CDs. He's now famous on YouTube. So can we all please welcome Anthony Marquez. Big round of applause for Anthony Marquez.
कुशीच्या उमाळ्यांनी बोरून तुमच्या मुखार उबो रावून या म्हज्या कांतारांतल्यान दोगांयकूय वाकांटा तारीख 5 ऑक्टोबराची 1996 वर्साची म्हजीच वर्सां काजाराक आयज तुमच्या बोत्ता सुखाक दुखाक उडो करून एकामेकाचेर विस्वास दवरून एकवटान जियेली म्हणून सेबासकी दिता जमो जाला पळय सोयऱ्याचो तसो तुमच्या इश्टाचो तुमचे कुशालकायेन वांटो सगळीं घेता सिल्वर जुबली तुमच्या पळय काजराची Silver Jubilee दोगांयकूय दिता पोरवी आमची आसोन नाचोन खावोन पिवोन एन्जॉय कोरया सिल्वर जुबली देव बापाची खुशी सायबिणीची बेसांवां तुमचेर पडूंक मागणी आमची माशेलीन व्हडलो पूत गोराचो सासू मायच्या चोड मोगाचो धाकटे धुवेक प्रिसिलाक तुवें काडले विचून एर ट्रेबलान मेवली एकामेकाच्या मोगान भोवली वारकावी गोरजेन एक जाली साकरामे जोडून उत्सव पडून मामी देडीचो जीव कुशेन बोल्ला पुताचो दोगोय पूत देवाक आर्गां दिता खोशेन भरून खोशेंत आसोन नाचोन चोला एकामेकाची फकाणां कोरात जिवीत कुशाल सारा दुनिया देवाक दिन वासू सिल्वर जुबली तुमच्या पळय काजराची Come on everyone, Silver Jubilee दोगांयकूय दिता पोरवी आमची आसोन नाचोन खावोन पिवोन एन्जॉय कोरया सिल्वर जुबली देव बापाची तुजी सायबिणीची बेसांवां तुमचेर पडूंक मागणी आमची तुम्ही मोगान जियेन marriage is made in heaven ही मोडणी कोरी म्हूण तुम्ही लोकांक दाखोयले सोदांत जियेंक तुम्ही सुखान 2 फळां पळय दिली देवान तुमचें घर पळय देवान देण्यानी बोल्ले तुमचो मोग वाडो व्हड सिल्वर टर्न इंटू गोल्ड घालते मोजे हांव देवाक कोत्ता मागणे फुडार तुमच्या पुताचो देवान पोर जोडीत कोचो कोराब्या सोदांच आसों बेसांव देवाचे सिल्वर जुबली तुमच्या पोय काजराची Come on everyone Silver Jubilee दोघांयकूय दिता पोरवी आमची आसोन नाचोन खावोन पिवोन एन्जॉय कोरिया सिल्वर जुबली देवा बापाची सोची सायबिणीची बेसांवा तुमचेर पडूंक मागणी आमची गोल्डन जुबिली जाय सोज भलायकेन दवरची आनी कांतार म्हणून म्हाका आपोग मात विसरशी
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Do very good. Wow. I'm sure, you know, the family here really appreciate that. So
Yes,
fantastic.
we do, yeah.
Another round of applause, please.
Yay! Thank you for Marcus.
Yes, thank you.
Are garam
Rose
Yeah, good.
Wait on, let me get mama for it.
Nice, thank you.
Put.
That's a good one.
My husband is very good boy.
You know, serve your each and every need in terms of food and drinks. So we also have there ready for your drinks requests and whatever you guys need. So
Let's begin with Mama. I'm sure a lot of you know Mama very well and would agree she's very energetic and wears her heart on her sleeve. When interacting with Mama, there's no need to be guessing, you know, how she feels. Is she this? Is she? There's no need to be guessing. If she's happy and proud of you, you'll definitely feel the warmth and love coming towards you. And alternatively, if she's very angry, you will also feel the heat coming as well. Peaceful decoration and the rest of the Marquis family, as without your help, this wouldn't have been possible. I'd also like to give a big thank you to everyone else who's been tirelessly helping us over the past few days too with various other preparation. To Xavier, Doyle, Sybil,
I can see some sweat. We're ready, here we go.
Can't, but I am delighted to be here. Delighted. I love you very much. And if I may say so, and I've said this to you before, I do love the people from Goa as well. Yes, I can see. My own family didn't come from Goa, but they came from Ireland and they made their life here, my own parents, and so I appreciate coming to a different country and making your home and being part of the church, as Marcelino and Priscilla are. It's all wonderful stuff, so great. So tell me about 25 years ago. Okay.
3-second countdown. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yeah? Don't be shy. Are we all ready to sing for them, guys? You ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations and celebrations. We want the world to know how happy as can be. Congratulations and celebrations. We want the world to know how happy as can be. We want the world to know how happy as can be. Wow. Viva, viva.
Viva. Very nice. After all, break off finally. Thank you, Ryan and Clary. Very proud of you too, Agon.
Right, guys, so we cut the cake, sang the songs. Now, I believe there are two people we are still waiting to hear from. Can anyone guess who those two people are? No, nothing,
I
huh?
can.
Enjoy, man.
Okay,
I
now-
can.
Now, just before we get to that stage, right? I'm sure we've all come here, friends, families, and we want to relive that moment. So, can you tell us just briefly?
Now, you tell me from my side or Mark's.
It's a general question. I haven't got to the question yet. So, where did the pair of you both meet? First meeting. Who wants to take it?
Oh, I know.
Yes, it was in Angela Cafeteria. My husband wanted me to take me to Longinus, but I said no, it will be too long. I just want to go in Angela Cafeteria. My train is going to be at 6:15 or 6:30, something like that. And I said no, I don't have enough time. Sorry, we can just have a quick break and talk. That's it. And we went to Angela Cafeteria. I
Yeah,
do remember.
Longinus was selling, serving good tourist pula and patties. But
Oh wow! It's just playing hard to get.
yeah, very hard.
Very good answer. Oh, very good, very impressed. Okay, so now, guys, I'm sure you're all aware, 25 years of, having a wedding is it's no joke. Okay, we're not just here to celebrate the wedding day itself.
Yes.
We're here to celebrate before, when you first met, the wedding, and 25 years.
Yes.
What this has all brought together. Your friends, your families, they're all here. Now, we all want to know, what is the secret? What is the secret from both of you for the special, that kept that marriage together for 25 years and provided so much
Come on, you tell.
I think the two biggest points are the sacrifice you make and compromise. I think these are the two things. If you could do these things, I think you could live for after golden is what? Diamond. You could live to that point as well.
What an answer!
We're going to hear Priscilla's secret as well now.
I think I felt that it's the best man I ever met, and I can't get more better man than that, who is understanding, loving, and I'm very thankful to my husband. Bringing out the children, for always been supportive in my hard time, was always there with me, and who always believed in me. So thank you, Marceline.
Round of applause, please, guys. Come on.
But guess what? The driving force behind all of us is this woman which I ever loved. And that is what brought us even to this country today. So whatever we are, you know us very well. Whatever we achieved, our success is all because of this woman here. She is our driving force. She is our strength. With the obviously help of God, our Lord. And that's where we are. Okay. And I would like to thank with this to each one of you guys, friends and family members here. And I hope you enjoyed. I'm a man of few words, but I think I had enough now.
Okay, no more questions.
What a fantastic answers to these questions. Now, guys, yeah?
No.
Is that what you heard? Yeah.
Because people get scared, but I said no, miss, no, they did not like that.
Okay, though, but I still want to hear something from Priscilla. We've heard some heartwarming words. So, please, the mic is to you.
This is your chance now.
Okay. First of all, I'd like to thank God for His blessings and Mother Mary. Without Mother Mary, novenas, what I've started since I got married. I've not been in this place.
Ani ना तुझे विणे संसार सगलो दिसता काळू तू मोजे फूल तू एक बुलबुल तुझ्या मोगान हांव जाला तुझे मुखार मानका मोच्या हांव जोडणीची You have drawn in the leaves